Trash Taco. It's a commentary on the state of our fast food industry and the waste that it generates. So we're making a statement with this sculpture. So if you come back 2 weeks, October 4th, for the official Leap Sandcastle Classic, which is a fundraiser for art programs in elementary schools, you will see this, the 20-foot by 20-foot trash taco with Smith Group, Degenkolb, Herrero Bolt, and Baywood Elementary School 5th graders.
You know, we need to have more of a continued effort than just one day a year. Cleaning up the beach and our coastline. Come on out. Enjoy being at the beach. Try to maintain keeping it clean. It's not that hard. Oh, really?
Yeah. How's the beach cleanup going?
The beach cleanup's going good. The beach is clean.
No, we appreciate it. It's perfect timing for our event.